Hello. In this video, I will assemble a little Arduino ESP32 robot with a LiDAR distance sensor. This robot can sense obstacles, create a map of your room, and use that map to self-drive itself automatically. For starters, let's attach motor cables. Unscrew all board wire terminals. Make sure all the terminals are opened up fully. Take a wire and strip off 8 to 10 millimeters of isolation. Bend the metal conductors back. Insert the wire into the screw terminal with the conductors facing up and tighten the screw. Attach the rest of the motor wires in this fashion. Attach 4 board posts to the base plate using countersunk M3 screws. Attach 4 LiDAR posts to the base plate as well. Attach 2 caster wheel mounts to the back of the base plate using hex button M3 screws. Insert the metal shaft into the roller. Place the metal shaft ends into the caster mounts. Tighten the caster wheel mount screws. Make the roller spin freely. Press the roller against the table and move the base back and forth a few times. Insert each motor into its mounting clamp. Make sure the motor face is flush with the clamp. Attach each motor to the base using 3 countersunk M3 screws. Don't over-tighten to avoid bending the plastic base. Let's assemble the wheels. Make sure each wheel is free of debris. Put the tire on and press it into the plastic groove. Locate the flat part of the motor shaft. Locate the flat part of the wheel hub. Align both flats and press the wheel onto the motor shaft all the way. Let's connect the motors. Align the motor cable plug with the motor connector receptacle. Press the plug in gently. Route motor cables under the board. Gently bend the cable plug wires down. Attach the board to the board post using 4 hex button M3 screws. Connect battery wires to battery screw terminals. Make sure the polarity is correct. Do not fold back the stripped conductors this time. Insert the 30-pin ESP32 DevKit module into the board socket. Orient the USB connector toward the battery screw terminals. Attach the LiDAR skirt using 3 M3 hex button screws. Make sure there are no gaps between the skirt and the LiDAR. Make sure the board power switch is in the off position. Insert batteries into the battery case and place the battery case as shown. Connect the LiDAR breakout cable wires to the board. Plug the breakout cable into the LiDAR sensor. Make sure the cable plug is aligned with the LiDAR connector receptacle. Fold the wires before placing the LiDAR. I will attach the LiDAR a little later, after uploading the firmware. Connect the ESP32 module to a computer using a USB cable. Great! Now you can upload the firmware. A few tips for troubleshooting. Board screw terminals connection can fail if the stripped-off conductor is too short. Over-tightening a screw sometimes can ruin the thread and plastic parts. Fix the thread by inserting a wood splinter. Easy peasy. The motor connector housing can slide up. Press it back down before plugging in the cable. One motor works, the other fails. Bad connection or bad motor. Swap motor connections to check. Check both motors showing a green light when the battery power is on. Search Maker's Pet on YouTube to watch software setup and happy building.